Hi guys, Rhazel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be reacting to my very first video. Hi nako guys, hindi ko alam. I actually did this video before, pero hindi siya like first video lang yung nireactan ko. I reacted to like my old private videos. Yeah, nasa Pilipinas pa ako noon and I felt like reacting to my old private videos and I did. But today, I will be reacting to my very first video. Like, yun lang talaga, wala nang iba. If you guys want me to react to like other videos, especially yung mga private videos ko, if you want me to react to my videos nung nasa Cayman Islands ako, let me know because I was actually vlogging then. So, yeah. Pero today, I will be reacting just to my very first video. By the way, I filmed this makeup look right here. I actually just finished filming the intro of the makeup look. I'm not sure kung anong video yung mauuna, kung yung makeup look na yun or ito. But if that's already up, then that's already up. If not, then it's gonna be up soon. Anyway, hanapin ko muna yung very first video. Guys, I have like, oh my gosh. It was uploaded 4 years ago. I think this was 2013. Private na yung video na yan kasi private ko na lahat ng videos ko from like, sobrang tagal na. Look at these videos, guys. Like, haul, get ready with, wait, ano ba yan? I love drugstore makeup tag. Yan yung mga unang video na, ewan ko, dito nagsimula ang lahat. Yung thumbnail ko pa talaga is noon hindi ka pa nakakapili ng thumbnail eh. So, yan yung thumbnail ko, oh. Dove Go Fresh. Dove Go Fresh Cucumber Green Tea Scent Roll-On. Bongga! Itong video na to, guys, English siya lahat. English siya ako eh. Nung nagsisimula ako, like, ang arte-arte nito, sobra, as in, It's 6 minutes and 26 seconds long, so good luck.
Hi guys, this is Rhazel and I will be doing a haul for you.
I will be doing a haul for you. Haul for you, your face.
Items that I got recently. I didn't buy all of this at once. I keep...
Ay, naku. Ayoko na. Yung balahibo ko talaga tumatayo. Besh, nakakaloka naman itong video na to. Bakit kasi English ng English? Noon kasi wala pa si Ann. Hindi pa siya, or I think nandun na si Ann pero hindi ko pa na-discover yung channel niya. So wala pang nagtatagalog, guys. Si Say, she was vlogging then, but I'm pretty sure she was speaking English. So ayoko naman ako yung magtagalog tapos hindi pa ako Tagalog, Bisaya pa ako. So like, you know, so pasensya na po. Pasensya na. Yung title ko pa talaga, Pinay Haul. First video. Pinay Haul. Hinol mo yung Pinay. Kakaloka.
Related this for like, I think, over a month. So yeah, I will start and I will show you first the phone case.
No. Ito na. Pwede nyo na sabihin ng arte-arte ko dito.
This is what I got. The first thing I will show you is this one.
Yung kamay na yan. Bakit nakaganon pa talaga yung kamay? Anong ginawa ko na ganon? This one? Bakit pa ganyan yung hawak?
It's just the Louis Vuitton phone case. This is not
Louis Vuitton.
honestly.
Ayoko na. Guys, bakit? Bakit ko ba ginawa tong video na to? As in, literally, guys, yung balahibo ko, hindi nyo makita, of course, kasi parang namang wala yung balahibo ko. Tumatayo siya. Ang tagal na ito.
Sides are black. And the inside is black as well. So yeah, that is not my favorite. Nothing against it.
Oh my gosh.
The next one I got is this. This is knockoff calf Kidston phone case, and it looks like this. The background is just a beige color with a very nice flower detailing. It reminds me of Christmas, the print. And the third one is my favorite. It's the Hello Kitty phone case and it's pink. I love the
pink. What? Sabi ko pink. It's pink. Pink.
Moving on to the beauty products. So I will start with the boring products. The
Oh
first
my
one
gosh,
is
bakit ganyan yung pagkasalita mo? Bakit ganyan? Ay, salamat talaga at na-private ko na tong video na to. Ano ba yung mga pinaggagawa ko?
Dove Go Fresh Cucumber and Green Tea Scent Roll-On. I really love this.
Bakit may tea scent roll-on?
It smells so amazing and I've been using this for a long time. I think this is my 5th or more.
Fifth.
Yeah. And then the next one is also
What? that. And then the next one is
This is the Colgate.
Colgate!
I don't know.
Colgate. Paano ba i-pronounce yung Colgate? Colgate. Sabi ko, Colgate.
I don't know what's the difference of this one to the other toothbrushes, but this one.
Oh my gosh. Feeling ko guys, pagsisisihan ko to. Bashers pa more! Guys, first video. English pa ng English. Hindi pa alam ng pamilya ko nung nag-video ko. So basically, I was like whispering to the camera. I got this from, you know? Ganyan talaga guys. Hindi naman kasi diretso, pag upo mo doon, hala, confident na confident ka na. First time. First video nga,
It's
eh,
very
diba?
expensive. Like for me, it is very expensive. I can't breathe. This is very expensive. It's like almost 200 pesos. And then the next one I will show you is from
Show you?
Celiti or Celiti. I really don't know how to pronounce this. This is the facial moisturizer, and this is water-based and oil-free. The next one I will show you is from Glamworks. I'm pretty sure you can only find this at Watson's, but it looks like that. It's just a nose pore strips, and it says it instantly removes blackheads. It draws out impurities, absorbs oil and dirt, and unclogs.
Basa pa more!
I have used this already, and it actually works. It comes with 12
I've used this
strips,
already.
for 99 pesos.
Gumagano'n pa yung kilay ka. Oh my
This
gosh.
kind of tint, like the one in packaging. But
Packaging.
it is very moisturizing.
Packaging.
So, and it's so affordable. I think it's only 78 pesos. The next two things I will
Hindi
show
ko
you-
alam kung ano yung inisip ko, guys. Bakit in-upload ko tong video na to. Siguro, gano'n naman tayo lahat, diba? We look back and we like, ano pinagagawa ko sa buhay ko. Like, you know, yung mga style noon. Kung ganun, feeling mo, ang okay na ka na noon. Pero, when you look back, and you're like, wow. 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 Bakit?
Lipsticks. I got two different shades, obviously. I got the shade Hot Summer, which
Oh my
a
God.
very bright
Yung ano ko
kind of
talaga,
red
yung balahibo ko.
color. And the next one is in the
Is
movie, and I've heard
is-
a lot of good things about this. It is kind of a nudie color with a very slight pink undertone in it, and I'm not really a fan of this.
May pink
because, you know,
undertone ba yung
I
movie?
don't have really light
Oh,
skin. And I
yung
have
necklace.
I look like a dead
What?
person. I have a review of the
Hindi ko daw nagustuhan yung mauve na shade kasi I look like a dead person.
those two lipsticks on my blog, so check that down below. And the next thing I will show
Did I leave
you
the
is
link
the
below?
shades, the multiple stick
I didn't.
stick. And this is the shade Sunset Glow. And
Enter text here. Fail.
to do a review on this on my blog as well, so watch that out. And this is
Ay,
a
vlog!
very nice
Akala ko
kind of
sabi ko
peachy-
vlog. Vlog pala. Meron pala akong vlog noon, guys.
peachy,
Char!
corally color, perfect for
Sobrang
everyday.
gustong-gusto
And
ko
this
yung
is a
ano na yan, blush na yan,
very
Michudo.
retractable. Like, what more can you ask for? So
Ano? Ano yung sinabi ko? Ano yung sinabi ko? What more can you ask for? What?
I am actually planning to do a review on this on my blog as well, so watch that out.
Watch that out.
This is a very nice kind of a peachy, corally color, perfect for everyday. And this
Peachy,
is a
corally
blush
color.
and retractable. Like, what more can you ask for? So
What
the
more
swatch
can you ask for?
is like this. I don't know if you really can tell.
We
this
can't
is
see the swatch.
So it's
I
gonna
can't
fall on your
see it.
cheeks, which is nice. And the next thing I will
Which
show you, I
is
actually did get
nice.
it for myself as well. My mom got this from her friend, and this is a BB Cream Sheer Glowing Skin Makeup, and I don't know if this is available here in Philippines.
Kung ano-ano na yung matanggap ko, kahit na hindi naman akin, hinuhol ko. Kay mama na BB cream hinol. Para lang may mahol. O, diba? First video eh.
Yeah, I think that's all I have for
Yes,
this.
please.
So,
Be
yeah,
done
watch out
already.
for more videos, guys. If you want any review of anything that I showed you today, just comment down below and I will do it for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for
Thank you so much for watching.
more videos to come. Bye!
Bye!
Hala, ang kapal ng buko tingnan. Anong nangyari? Anong nangyari? Hala guys, nakakahiya naman yun. Hindi ko alam kung i-upload ko tong video na to. Ah! Nakakaloka. Nag-comment dito si Chris Luwagi. Si Hyseria. Yeah, Hyseria. Nag-subscribe ako sa kanya. Guys, when I started YouTube, nakaka-relate ako sa mga sub-to-sub. I didn't do that. I think I did. Yeah. Nagko-comment ako sa mga videos nila sa mga videos nila Say, no nagsa-start pa lang ako. And nag-message ako sa mga nagko-comment sa mga video nila, like pina-private message ko sila para mag-subscribe sila sa channel ko. I was doing that. That's why I don't delete sub-to-sub comments because I can relate. I've been there. And go lang guys, kung ano sa tingin nyo yung kailangan nyo gawin, gawin nyo. Nandito na sila, ipapakita ko sa kanya yung video. Babe! Come here, babe. Babe, I'll show you something. Come here.
I need to pee.
What?
I need to pee. What do you say?
Okay, P. I'm reacting to my first video. Nagsimula din ako sa ganun. Now, does it work? Yeah, it works naman. Meron naman talaga mga tao na hindi nila makikita mo yung channel mo unless you message them. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na yun yung dahilan kung bakit nag-grow yung channel ko. I think it's because of the videos na I uploaded. Not because of me messaging, because I stopped doing that nung bumalik na talaga ako, like last year, bumalik ako, diba? I stopped doing that. I stopped messaging people. So babe, let me show you this video.
You can't see me.
Oh, hold it. Can you hold it, please?
I didn't buy all of this at once. I accumulated this for
Be
like
nice to me, babe.
over a month. So yeah, I will start and I will show
You
you
look really good,
phone cases
babe.
I got. The first thing I will show you is
What do you think of my
This is not
video?
real,
Can you watch
obviously.
it? Have you watched
But
that?
yeah, the sides
My English is like so cringy.
are black and the inside is black as well. So yeah, that is
Yeah,
my
it's
favorite.
fun.
I mean,
Oh.
it's
It's fun.
sister, but I don't really like that one.
Do I speak like that now?
The next one I
No.
is this. This
It's
is
wife.
knockoff
No.
cat.
Listen to it.
Calf.
Cat.
Kidston phone case, and it looks like this. The
Cool.
background is just a beige.
It's
color
very
with
cringy,
a
guys.
very
You don't see any
flower
difference at all?
detailing.
The way it looks now is the same?
The print. And
No,
the
it's
third one
not.
is my favorite. It's the Hello Kitty.
Your eyes looks really like hazily here.
Right
Thank
there,
you.
and it's jelly cake.
Oh my gosh! I don't think I will upload that video. Alright, so that's it. That is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next one. Let me know if, like, I don't know. Let me know if you want me to react to my vlogs in Cayman. Kasi private ko na yun. So, like, sobrang konti lang sa inyo yung nakapanood nun. So, yeah, let me know if you want to see that. Nagtatagalog na ako dun sa Cayman. So, hindi na siya ganun ka-cringy. Anyway, that is it. We will cook spaghetti. So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye! Be good! Bye, babe!
My bad.
Bye! Your hand.